Hello guys, I made an student identification card maker. Using this template the teacher can easily print the identification cards of the students. Now let me show you guys how to use this template. Click the red buttons to upload ID pictures for student 25 and student 26. Now, generate a barcodes for student 31 and student 32, click the drop-down list and select student 31 and 32. And now click black buttons to generate unique barcodes each students. To upload school logo, click the blue button. To change the ID backgrounds, just click the green buttons. To upload and delete the signature of the principal, click the yellow buttons. Click the data entry button and encode the required informations for the ID card. To print these ID cards, use short bond paper, just click the white buttons. You can change the ID text color, header font color, student name font color, the student name font outline color, and you can change all text ID color for white, black, red, green and blue. To download the student identification card maker, join me on Facebook. Subscribe for more updates.